Hey guys, this is Tina. Welcome to Soo Kitchen. If you are after a quick, easy and yummy noodle recipe, please stay tuned in this video. Today I'm going to share a secret family Shanghainese noodle recipe with you. The spring onion noodle is one of the most popular dishes in Shanghai. This dish itself looks super easy, but trust me, my recipe will bring this dish to the next level. Let's start with our first ingredient, sun-dried shrimps. It gives the dish a strong seafood flavor. If you don't like seafood or couldn't find it in the Asian market, don't worry, it's okay to skip it. Use a little bit Chinese cooking wine to soak the dried shrimps. Okay, now let's bring our key ingredient, spring onion. Have a really good wash and use the kitchen paper to make it nice and dry. Cut the root away from the greens. The spring onion root is the key to this dish, so do not throw it away. It will bring that fascinating fragrant smell after pan frying. Cut the green into shorter length. Fry the root first and then the green. Make sure it is nice and dry before you fry it. Let's make the flavored oil together. Pour plenty oil. You can use any kinds of oil, but please do not use the olive oil, as it already has a strong flavor. When the oil starts to bubbling, it's ready to fry the root first. Use lowest heat to fry, as you do not want to burn it. The low heat would push out the fragrance nicely. Frequently turn around to make sure it is evenly fried. When you see the color change to yellowish, we are halfway there. Now it is slowly turning to caramel color. It means the oil is already infused with the nice fragrance from the spring onions. Now we can take out the roots. Repeat the same process with the green. When it becomes crispy and the color turns to dark, then you can turn off the heat. Let's put the green on the serving plate and the oil into a small bowl. Now let's make the sauce. No need to wash the frying pan. It still has that little bit nice fragrance, so we do not want to waste it. Add 15 ml water, 3 teaspoons soy sauce. You can also add 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce to give a beautiful color to the noodle. You can find these two types of soy sauce in your local Asian supermarket. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Use low heat to give a good mix of the sauce. Let's move the sauce into the serving plate. Now let's get the noodle ready. Make sure the water is boiling. You can use either packed dry noodle or fresh noodle, or angel hair spaghetti can also do. Cook about 2 minutes so it is nice and chewy. You can also cook a bit longer if you prefer softer noodles. When the noodle is ready, drain out the noodle properly so it doesn't dilute the tasty sauce. Now we are set with some cooked baby bok choy. There are millions ways you can add some size to this dish. Asian greens, mushrooms, crispy bacon, roasted chicken, any protein or veggies that you fancy. Now I can start to enjoy the fun of this dish. Let's mix the noodle well and enjoy the magic fragrance. I just can't wait to try this. It looks just so yummy. The noodle is chewy and juicy. The sauce is just amazing, salty but sweet, and it matches perfect with the spring onion fragrance. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. I guarantee you will start to love eating and cooking Chinese dishes with these very simple steps. Bye for now. See you soon.